way to go over there.
First section, they added a little bit of water. It was coming out a little dry. Moving right along. Didn't take them very long to do this. About an 80-foot section. I think they've been here about 10 minutes.
Oh, another chunk. Another chunk there too. Another big one.
Sent one man back to start floating it out. Delicate touch. And of course they'll need to go in and score the expansion joints later as well. Coming up on the end of the first section. This is the long section. This one's about 80 feet. I think the next one's maybe about 30, and there's just a little 10-foot section at the end. The next section, all the bars in place, tied and dove. Hole number 4. And that's the last section poured. We're just starting to float it off. There's just enough concrete in the truck. We didn't have to do a cleanup load. They're already double floated this piece out, and they're starting to get ready to do the expansion joints. Going through, getting all their edging done. Floated it out a couple of times. It'll be a nice top finish. Just thought I'd take a quick video of our new concrete in the front yard. So all this concrete has been replaced. I'm standing on the front steps at the front door. Then you can see the driveway, which is obviously under the cars. That was already there, so it just continues up. And then you can see there's a little path around the yard. There had been one there originally. I just liked it so much I kept it. I think it's the 4-year-old in me wanted to drive my scooter around and around the front yard. And at the same time, we extended the driveway about 18 inches, which is offset the path here. We also replaced the sidewalk from the edge of our driveways, our neighbor's driveway cut, all the way down here. We left our driveway cut alone because it was okay. Then there's another section that we replaced in total, and then there's the second driveway cut in the vacant lot, and then about, I don't know, 10 feet out to the fire hydrant as well, because this was all busted up. You can see in front of our neighbor's house how their sidewalks cracked theirs. Ours was cracked like that right here where we're looking, and then at the other end towards our other neighbor's driveway, it actually had fallen a couple of inches and cracked about 20 feet or more. So we had that done about a month ago. Looks really nice. The Carter Crilly Construction did the work. Did a beautiful job. They also had done the driveway and Our patios out back over the years. Oh, it's excellent work. Very, very happy. Here you can see my little scooter racetrack. Oh, that's it. See you next